Good day! Welcome to Mom She Teaches M's classroom. Join me as we explore the wonders of Mathematics 8. Hope you learned something new today. Factoring the difference of two squares. The difference of two squares follows the pattern a square minus b square is equal to quantity a minus b times quantity a plus b, or quantity A plus B times quantity A minus B. The order does not matter. For instance, we will factor x squared minus 36. First, we check, are there only two terms? Is the first term a perfect square? Is the last term a perfect square? Is there subtraction in the problem? If all these are true, then we can factor using this method. X squared, the square root is x. And for 36, the square root is 6. Since there's a minus sign in between, we use the plus and the minus sign in the factors. Factoring polynomials completely. Example 2. Factor 16x squared minus 4. We first ask, do we have a GCF? Yes, the GCF is 4. Since the GCF is 4, we write 4 as our common factor. Then we get the remaining factor. To get this remaining factor, we divide 16x squared by 4, and that is 4x squared. Then, negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. So the factor of 16x squared minus 4 is 4 times quantity 4x squared minus 1. Next, we check whether 4x squared minus 1 is still factorable. Are they difference of squares? Yes. Are they two terms? Yes. Is the first term a perfect square? It's yes. Is the second term a perfect square? It's also yes. Is there a subtraction in between? Yes. Therefore, 4x squared minus 1 is still factorable. And that is applying difference of two squares. We get the square root of 4x squared, that is 2x, and the square root of 1 is 1. Since there's a minus sign in between, we use plus and minus for the factors. The complete factored form of 16x squared minus 4 is 4 times quantity 2x plus 1 times quantity 2x minus 1. Example 3. Factor 75x squared minus 12. Again, we ask, do we have a GCF? The GCF is 3. So 3 is the common factor. We get the remaining factor again by dividing 75x squared by the common factor 3. 75x squared divided by 3 is 25x squared. Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. The factor form of 75x squared minus 12 is 3 times quantity 25x squared minus 4. Next, is 25x squared minus 4 factorable? Are they difference of squares? Do we have two terms? Is 25x squared a perfect square? What about 4? The answer is yes. So we factor again 25x squared minus 4 since it's a difference of two squares. We get the square root of 25x squared, that is 5x. The square root of 4 is 2. Since there's a minus sign in between, we use the plus and minus for the factors. The complete factored form of 75x squared minus 12 is 3 times quantity 5x plus 2 times quantity 5x minus 2. That's all for today. See you in our next video lessons. Keep safe, everyone.